Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying what planners need to decide today. That drives every visual. Combine key data sources now so you can test visuals immediately: calendars, spreadsheets, CRM exports. Once done, map each field to a KPI and choose a primary time grain, day, week, or month. Make sure to remove duplicates and normalize date formats. This prevents confusing trends later. By starting with concrete goals and clean data, you avoid rework and keep the dashboard focused on planner decisions. You now translate KPIs into visuals that make decisions fast. Choose charts that match intent, Gantt for schedules, heat maps for resource load, and simple bars for comparisons. Then implement calculated fields like rolling 7-day averages and capacity ratios to smooth noise and show actionable change. Once done, wire interactivity, filters, drill downs, and linked highlights so you can inspect root causes. Make sure to prototype layout with the most used view at the top left. This reduces. You finish by validating with real planners. Walk through typical scenarios and confirm each widget answers a question. Once validated, deploy with scheduled refreshes, role-based access, and an archived snapshot for audits. If things go wrong, missing rows or wrong totals, first check data freshness and time zone mismatches, then inspect joins and calculated fields for logic errors. Finally, document known limitations and quick fixes so planners can keep working while you iterate on improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.